Hey, welcome back to the channel. Back at it again with another video. Shooting these back to back, you know, while my family's out in Japan. I'm gonna head there in a couple weeks, so try to get some work done. Obviously, if you saw the last video, installed the intercooler on the Kona N, and that got me a little shook. It took longer than I expected and kept running into issues. And even though the coupler stayed on, if you saw the last video, still sort of worried about fitment on that, so I did order another fitting, so I'll keep you updated. But so far, the boost has been holding and the coupler stayed on. But that's not what this video is about. I'm going to meet up with some of the SoCal N Club group members. Don't know if I'll let you know what the video is about yet, but you know, if anything, it's gonna be a cool hangout, and I'll let you know once details drop. So I do want to prep the car a bit and switch like a few things out. So that's why we got this guy from Shark Racing. Let's open the box and let's find out what this is. So I'm going to install a factory carbon fiber fuel door. Gonna swap out the red. So let's see how this carbon fiber fuel door looks like. There's the reveal. This is supposed to be real carbon fiber. It's not a plastic overlay or a plasti dip. This is an OEM Kona part that Hyundai did sell. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. I'm not sure if the camera can pick up the weave details, but it is a factory piece, so hopefully it bolts right up. So I've never done this, but after doing the intercooler, anything will be better than that thing. I'm still having PTSD, so let's dive in and see if we can swap out the fuel door. And then in the morning, before the meetup, I'm just gonna give the car a quick wash. It is a little dusty from sitting in the garage while I was installing the intercooler. I'm sorry, Kona. So I'll give it a little bath tomorrow before we head out, but let's see if we can install this fuel door, and then I'm gonna get some sleep. Let's check it out. All right, so this piece just came off, just pushed it gently off, and these look like 10s, so let's go ahead and take these off. This is my kind of install. Close in on itself. There you go. OEM carbon fuel door off. Let's go ahead and put the new ones. There you go, carbon fiber fill-up tank hold door. Does it need to be carbon fiber? I don't know, but here's what it looks like. So, yeah, sorry, that was so mundane, but something with working exterior and something so simple, it's just, I don't know, therapeutic. So tomorrow, gonna give the car a wash and look to head out tomorrow. So here's what the fuel door looks like, and perfect fitment. I might need to tighten it down a little bit, but nice. Also, I've been using this McGuire's wheel cleaner, just spray it on and sort of wash it off. I also use the ceramic wax. I just spray it on and then wash it off just cause I'm lazy. All right, about to head out, but first, gotta get some coffee just to wake up a bit. All right, got the coffee in hand, but looks like we're changing locations, so gonna put in the GPS now, just because the original spot, the road was closed. So let's see what the new place is, and then get going. So stay tuned.
Head southeast on South Avenue 18. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-5 South.
Looks like the spot we're just reorganizing. There is the new Elantra N, and then there is the Ioniq 5. Crazy.
Maybe even there.
Post that on the gram, you know.
Just a tad bit back there, right there. Hi guys. The sedan?
Yeah, no. Compared to the Kona,
Alright, just got back from the meetup. I didn't film much, so I'll try to combine this with another mod. I did buy a rear sway bar for the Kona N, so yeah, just did a shoot with the SoCal N Club peeps and had all the cars there. As you saw in the B-roll, we were sort of doing a little bit of a project that hopefully comes out great. And then, yeah, next time we'll pick up, I will probably look to hit up at 2:30. You've seen them in our previous vlogs. There are cars and coffee shops, so we'll probably look to see if they have an appointment before I head to Japan. So stay tuned. Alright, it's the next day. About to head to at 2:30 to get the rear sway bar installed, but also gonna see if they can install these new tires too. So I got these GT Radials on sale, and it's actually going to a 245 versus the 235 that I have in the car now. The Yokohamas still have a little bit of tread left, but don't want to keep too much storage at the house or at the garage. Pretty limited. Sorry, there's dust on this lens. But also, the wife will probably kill me if I have too many car parts laying around, so gotta clean that up. So let's load up the tires and the sway bar and head over to 2:30, or at 2:30, and get these things installed. Alright, gonna let the car warm up a bit and then head over. So don't know if I'll shoot anything on the way, but I'll take you guys with me and I'll start recording when we get to the shop. Alright, my brother just got here too. Ioniq 5N line. All right, dropped off the car. They're gonna start on the rear sway bar first, and with the tires, they recommended an alignment. So gonna go home, got my brother with me. He's gonna take me home, and I'm gonna go look for the camber bolts just to make sure that they have the bolts, just in case they need to adjust camber, that they have the bolts that I bought. So gonna head there now and then head back, so stay tuned. All right, camber bolts acquired. Leaving the house now. Oh, Sundays is closed. This van is sick.
300 feet, turn left on all.
That's the van you need right there.
I know.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Got the new wider tires.
That one's really close, huh?
Yeah, is it gonna be fun? Do you think there'll be any play there? It's pretty fine. Okay.
Because stock.
The stock one was kind of similar to the same.
Yeah.
Okay. This thing is sick. Alright, almost wrapped up. Got the sway bar on, the tires mounted. Just gotta wait for the alignment and we should be good to go. So I'll report back and see how the car feels once it's off the rack and aligned. So stay tuned. Alright, just got done with the shop. Shout out again to Shin at 230. Did a killer job. As you saw, he had to sort of modify or adjust the mounting brackets for the new sway bar. Haven't really tested it out too much, but just went around the block, and you know, with the wider tires, the sway bar, I mean, it feels dialed in. I got an alignment too. These were the specs. I'll just put it on screen here. This was what it was at before, and he just brought it aligned to spec here. So again, we'll probably have to test it out extensively on the track, but sorry, there was a fly there. About to go head home and pack and head to Japan. I'm not sure if I'll do a full vlog. I do want to shoot some content out there, or specifically something with like more Hyundai-esque type content. I don't want to, you know, do general vlog or travel. You know, it's not part of the channel. But hey, if you're interested or want to see more, drop a comment below and let me know if you want to see some content from Japan. I don't know what I'd shoot, but I'll come up with something. I hope you liked that video. I'll probably look to do more of an extensive review, maybe for an autocross or track day, if I can find the time to make it out there. Also, if you're in the Southern California area and you go to at 230, just mention you're with the SoCal N Club and you'll get 20% off the alignment. So shout out to at 230 and Shin again. Super professional and very meticulous and detail oriented. So great shop. I can't be happier. In the middle of the video, you saw some snippets of a shoot that I've done with the SoCal N Club. Hopefully the full video will release soon. I'll try to put the full video on the channel as well, and so look out for that. I hope you like that video, a little bit all over the place. Don't forget to, again, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.